Want your paycheck to go directly into your Schwab checking account? If setting up direct deposit seems complicated, you're not alone. Today, we're setting up direct deposit to your Schwab bank account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Direct deposit automatically sends your paycheck, government benefits, or other regular payments directly to your Schwab checking account. Step 1. Find your account and routing numbers. Log into your Schwab account and go to your checking account details. You'll find your routing number, which is 02100089 for Schwab Bank, and your specific account number. Step 2. Provide these to your employer. Give these numbers to your employer's HR or payroll department, either through their online portal or by filling out a direct deposit form. The money will typically arrive on payday, often early in the morning. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Use Schwab's direct deposit letter for easy setup. In your account services, Schwab can generate an official direct deposit letter with all the correct information formatted for payroll departments. This eliminates errors and makes the process foolproof. So, just like that, you can streamline your finances with automatic deposits. Setting up direct deposit goes a long way in convenience and ensuring timely access to your funds. Now I'm curious, do you split your direct deposit between multiple accounts, or send it all to one place? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.